middle of the fucking road. What a freak. Hey Coastal fam. Guys, today I'm heading to the bike shop once again. This time for a service. Now, I know a lot of people choose to do the services themselves on their bikes, and it's a topic that comes up quite a lot, whether to, you know, save the money, avoid the dealership, or to steal a ship. And to be honest, I do both. I can service the bike myself, do the oil and filter change, whatever. But for greater things like delving deep into the motor, that's something that I kind of leave to the service technicians. But sometimes it's just a peace of mind of, yes, it is done properly. If anything does go wrong, you can take it straight back to them. Because when you do the service yourself, everything's on you. I want to know what you guys do. Do you guys service the bike yourself? Can you get into the nitty-gritty and pull down a motor and, you know, set the valves to the correct measurements, this and that? Or are you on the fence and can do minor services? Or are you the type just to send your bike straight to the mechanics to get it fixed up? Leave your response down in the comments below. I'm pretty interested to know what everyone's opinion on this is, because I reckon I'm gonna get slogged with a massive bill.